cooks, welcome to Gigi's Recipes. My name's Amanda Blaylock, and Gigi was my great-grandma. She was also a registered dietitian who wrote her own cookbooks. And in these videos, we explore those cookbooks and try a new recipe each week. Today we're going to be making blueberry cheese pie. I know, the name sounds super old, but it's basically a cheesecake. It's super easy. This is a recipe from Gigi's cookbook, Food Tips for a Healthy Lifestyle. So all the recipes are generally low fat and low sugar. Let's get started. Take your cream cheese, add an egg substitute of your choice. I picked low-fat yogurt, and sugar. I also added a splash of vanilla because I love that flavor, but you can leave that out or add it. Use some beaters or take your ingredients over to a stand mixer and combine them thoroughly. Once they're all together, spread your cheese mixture evenly over a graham cracker crust. Take your pie and bake it at 325 degrees for 20 minutes. Next, you'll combine cornstarch with a little bit of water and pour it over your blueberries. Take your blueberry mixture and pour it into a pan on medium heat. Let it cook for about a minute and keep stirring it. I squished my blueberries a little bit so the juice would combine with the cornstarch. Once everything's cooled, spread your berry mixture over the cheese pie. Then it's ready to serve or refrigerate. This pie is super refreshing and it's a great summer treat. I hope you all liked the blueberry cheese pie. If you did, the full recipe is in the description below. Please like and subscribe for more Gigi's Recipes.